This is what the cable looked like originally, other than it had the glue on it that I scraped off. And then you just slip this cable off, give it a gentle pull, and then you slip the new cable with the Y adapter on where the original cable was. Now you slip the original cable that connects to the Jeep onto the Y adapter. Then you would take the other end of that cable and hook it up to the negative battery post to your new battery. And you do the same for the positive cable. I hope that makes sense to you and is understandable. Thanks.